Tell her what it is.
It's a staring contest. Whoever smiles first loses. Whoever doesn't smile first wins. Chloe, that's a straight face contest.
Okay, starting now. Can't smile. Whoever smiles first wins.
No, loses. I win. I win because I smiled. I smiled.
Are you going to do a staring contest? Okay, you have to stare, but you can't blink.
What?
You have to stare at each other and you can't blink. Did you blink, Chloe? I don't know. I think you might have.
You blinked. You blinked. You blinked.
You did too.
No, I didn't.
Okay, so it's a tie. Is it a tie? Or great grandmama won?
No, I won because I didn't.
What? I'm recording y'all's your game.